When the night has come, when the night has come and the land is dark. When the night has come, when the night has come and the land is dark. And the moon is the only light, and the moon is the only light, and the moon is the only light. We will see.
When the night
has come,
night has come
and the land is dark. When the night
and the land is dark,
has come and the land
and the moon is the only light we'll see.
is the only light. We will see.
No, I won't
Be afraid.
be afraid. No, I won't be afraid.
No, I won't be afraid.
Just as long
Just as long
as you stand,
as long
stand by me.
just as long as you stand.
So darling, darling, stand by me.
Oh, won't you stay?
Stand by me.
Just as long
Stand by me.
as you stand,
Stand by me.
stand by me.
Just as long as you stand by me.
If the sky that we look upon
Should tumble and fall.
should tumble and fall, all the mountains should crumble to the sea.
Should crumble to the sea.
I won't cry. I won't cry.
No, I won't.
Shed a tear. Just as long
Just as long
as you stand,
as long
stand by me.
just as long as you stand.
So darling, darling, stand.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम। ये है गिलगित बल्तिस्तान का दारुल खराफा गिलगित सिटी, और ये पहाड़ के बीचों बीच बनाया हुआ ट्रैक, वॉकिंग ट्रैक। और ये है बरमस से ये शुरू होता है जुटियाल तक, और यहाँ पे लोग आते हैं और यहाँ पे ट्रैकिंग करते हैं, और खूबसूरत नज़ारा यहाँ पे देखने को मिलता है। तो ये ट्रैक बजरी और सीमेंट और साइडों पे ये पहाड़ भी लगे हुए हैं। तो इंतहाई खूबसूरत नज़ारा, और यहाँ से एयरपोर्ट और गिलगित सिटी का खूबसूरत नज़ारा होता है, और साथ में खूबसूरत पहाड़ी के ऊपर लोग बैठे हुए हैं, यहाँ पे काम से आए हुए हैं।